Welcome students to this chapter 11, which is the title is Making a Difference. Making a difference means making a change. Now this story or this lesson deals with the two kids, two students, Miti and Mahendra, who go to their schools. Now while returning from the school, we are told that they always discuss about what has happened in the school. They share their ideas and views. They share what had happened in their classes or in the schools. Now one day it so happened that they were returning from the school silently, very unhappily, dejected or sadly. They are found very quiet returning from their school. And normally Mahendra used to buy sweets or candy from the candy shop, but on this particular day he did not buy. They returned to their home and reach, and their parents find them very unhappy, and they are not even eager to take their dinner or snacks. When we are told that their parents were preparing shikarni and momos, but that too did not excite them like other days. So something has happened. That means on the way or in the schools, something has happened that has made them very sad and dejected or unhappy about it. Let us discover what has happened. Fine. When they were not talking, they were found silent. Their mother asked them, "What has happened? Did you fight on the way? Or something wrong has happened?" So Mahendra responds, "No, mother, nothing has happened." So again they are asked by father, "Did you have any difficulty day at school? Is there anything I can do to help?" Miti says, "No, Bua. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do to help." So the things now becoming serious. They are very serious about what has happened. Therefore, they are trying to explain to them. "That's just it," piped up Mahendra. "Something very wrong has happened and there is nothing we can do about it." That means they were deeply thinking about something wrong that has happened. So they are, in their views, they think that nothing can be done. So too they are curious. Parents are also now joining them. They are also interested to know what has happened. What is that they cannot do anything about it. Now Miti tries to explain. There was a meeting, club meeting, science club meeting to discuss our environment. So there was a discussion or meeting regarding environment, and they discussed that, or they came to know that the environment or the planet is being polluted. There are some people who are polluting and destroying it. So our teacher asked us to think of something we could each do to protect the planet. So that was the homework or things to be discussed about or thought about, that something each one think of something to do to protect and preserve or save the environment. So though we have thought, it seemed like too much damage is being done and nothing we do will ever make any difference. So much of destruction has been taken place that even if we do something, according to them, that makes no difference. That is how they are found very sad and dejected and unhappy, and they are very seriously thinking about it. Now, listening to their discussion or listening to their narration, mother was very pleased and compliments them that she was very happy that they were concerned about the nature, concerned about the environment, or thinking about the environment. She said, and I understand how helpless you must feel when you think about all the damage that has been done. So, let me tell you a story that your grandfather told me. I don't know where he heard it, but I think that it might help you think about your problem in a different way. Now, mother is inspired to tell them a story which she herself has heard from their grandfather. Now, this is the story that she narrates about to them. Mother tries to inspire them, to enlighten them, to show them an idea, tells them a story about a small boy. One fine morning, the boy was found on the beach, and there what was the boy doing? The boy was trying to push all the starfish thrown away by the strong wave. The previous night there was strong wave, and which has pushed the starfish away from the shore. So they are found almost dead, half dead. So she felt pity for them, and she was trying to push them back towards the water so that they are alive, they get back to their normal house. So he was busy, and there comes an old man to meet him, and there the man says that stop it, there is no use of putting them back, there are plenty of them thrown out or thrown away from the shore. Now a very little of them, if you put them back also, it makes no difference. But the boy, as it is told to us, the boy does not listen to the man, he continues, and in his effort to push the starfish back into the water. Instead, the boy said, I can make a difference to this one and that one and this one. And the man thought about what the boy said, and he knew the boy was right. He began to help return the animals to their home, smiling at how life's biggest lesson sometimes came from the smallest people. Now, the old man also has changed his attitude. He thought that nothing can be done. Even if I do something or do little thing, it makes no difference. But from the boy, little boy, he has turned, and he also start pushing the dead starfish into the water. Now, listening to this story, Miti and Mahendra were inspired. They got idea that no matter you do very little, also adds to the betterment of the situation. So the boy Miti and Mahendra listened to this story and learned. The boy did a difference, didn't he? Asked Miti excitedly. Their mother nodded. So what it means is that even though we cannot change everything, we can each make a big difference by doing little things that matter. So that is the lesson from this story or this lesson. Moral of the lesson is that even though we can't change everything, we can each one of us can make a big difference by doing little things. That is the most important of it. So today let us learn to do little to better the world, to improve the environment or change. So little things children you can do to change or keep clean your environment, beginning with keeping your own things clean and neat and your surroundings. So this is how these children learned from the story that they also can do something, or they also can do little things to bring about big changes. That's how the title of the lesson is Make a Difference. Each one of us can make a difference by doing little things. Alright? So this is all about the chapter 11, Making a Difference.